Hello, I am Dr. Sushum Sharma and I am Head of Medicine and Director of the Preventive Healthcare Program in Max Healthcare. In the corporate world, Max Healthcare is the only organization which has given a lot of weightage to the preventive health programs, and a special post is created which is headed by me, because we very strongly believe that it is the prevention which is the key to elimination of diseases rather than treating the disease when you already have them, which is not only very expensive but also increases the mortality and morbidity in the population. Now, preventive health checks are easier said than done. A common man is always at a loss to understand how he or she should go about it. And the range is very wide. So what we have tried to do is to simplify the preventive health checks into essentially 3-4 components. The part 1 is that contact the Max Healthcare either through internet or on phone or physically, and you will be advised that which particular checkup is ideally suited to you, because we are having multiple preventive health programs running, and depending on the age, which is both chronological age, the biological age, the risk factor assessment, the sex of the patient, the habits and other things, that we customize a health program or a health package for you. We are having multiple health packages available with us, ranging from basic health checkup to bronze, silver, gold, titanium and platinum. But in effect they mean filtration for more and more diseases by going into more and more detailed checkup, and which is decided by your doctor based on your various risk factors. But we have also observed that merely undertaking health checkup does not guarantee health, and patients only keep the health checkup record with them, and it is not translating into health benefit. And the reason for that is that health checkup have to be followed up by a detailed health counseling, and in this field only Max Healthcare has taken a pioneering lead. And that's why we don't call our program a health check, we call health program. So we don't have a preventive health check, we have a preventive health program, in which the health checkup is followed up by a detailed health counseling session, which involves a physician and a person expert in nutrition. In addition to that, a lot of emphasis is placed in our health program on vaccination. Most of the people do not know. We all feel that vaccination is only for children, but adult vaccination is coming in a big way. All of us in our adulthood also need vaccines, because when we were young, these vaccines were not available, and some of the vaccines which were available, they are losing its potency over a period of time. So if we again say, go back into the history, in Chark Samhita about 2,000-3,000 years back, it was written that a way to good health is ahar, vyavhar and vichar. So if we translate the same into modern preventive health program, it amounts to a preventive health check, a detailed health counseling, increased stress on physical activity, and adult vaccination. So Max Healthcare is trying to give you this comprehensive package of preventive health programs, which we hope will keep all of you and the society at large in a better state of health. I think that's enough. I've tried to cover it. If anything more you want.